Y'all know how I feel about Glow Recipe. Half of the items I love and half of them I feel are just like totally useless. So that was kind of mean. Useless for me.
No, I never love and feel like a heart attack. It's killing me, swear I never cried so much. No, I never love. Oh, never love.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm here to bring you another installment of one of my favorite series on this channel, rating PR packages in 20 seconds. Now y'all know it's always a fail. But this video is just a fun way to get a lot of product reviews out to you guys in a small amount of time. If you guys have never seen this video before, I basically rate PR products that I am sent from brands, which could be spicy because all the things I will not love, but I am always going to be 100% honest because it costs me nothing. I might love something for the reason why you dislike it and vice versa. So I'm always going to share my honest opinion. When I receive PR from brands, it is under no obligation of me to post about it, to like it or dislike it. I am always going to be honest. I won't be rude, but I'm always going to give my honest opinion. And just a little background on my skin. I do have acneic, oily skin. I'm in my 30s, mid 30s something. And a lot of the products I like just tend to be a little lighter in texture because of my oily skin. Let's get into this video. If you guys like the video, don't forget to like, definitely comment down below because I love chatting with you guys. And of course, subscribe if you like my content. I talk about all things beauty, lifestyle, a little bit of fashion, a little bit of luxury, fragrance, literally everything. And I love you guys for your support always of my channel. These videos are not very popular, but I just love doing something different and fun because beauty content is like slowly dying on YouTube, but my hope is to help bring it back. So let's get into these items. I am going to be reviewing about 10 products that I was sent from brands. So let me find my timer. Ooh, y'all, this is always so hard for me because y'all know that I love to talk, but we're gonna I was praying last night for 30 minutes. I wanted to time myself. We are not gonna be talking for 30 minutes. Let me put the timer on 20 seconds. Y'all think I can do it? I have been getting a little better. Not really. Okay, so the first product, let's jump right in with body care. This is the same Tropez Self-Tan Luxe Body Serum. Y'all know I'm a black girl that loves to use self-tanner because my upper body is like 3 shades lighter than my lower body. So I love a self-tanner. I know that not everybody will, but I think this is a great resource for those of you who do. Okay, 20 seconds on the clock. All in all, I would tell you guys to just get the mousse. This is basically like a sticky serum that is supposed to work in the same way that the tanning mousse does. I do like that it's kind of invisible so you don't have to worry about it transferring onto your, oh my gosh, I have 1 second left. I love that you don't have to worry about it transferring onto your clothes, but I don't find that it gave me enough of a deep tan. I love bronzing mousse from Saint Tropez. I stand by that one. I'm gonna have to pass on this. Somebody may like it. Maybe if you are lighter than me, you will. But it's a no for me. It's a no for me, dog. Y'all, 20 seconds. That was not, is this set for 20 seconds? That was not. That, you lied. Okay, the next product I'm going to review is the Glow Recipe Strawberry BHA Pore Smooth Blur Drops. And this is a pore refining and blurring serum. Now, all the girls all over TikTok, I'm not on TikTok, but I hear that the girls are loving it. And the reviews on Sephora's website are highly, highly favorable. So, y'all know how I feel about Glow Recipe. Half of the items I love and half of them I feel are just like totally useless. That was kind of mean. Useless for me. Okay, 20 seconds on the clock. This is hard. Okay, I love this. And like I just said, I am not the biggest Glow Recipe lover. This was amazing. I'm wearing it today. I don't find that it's a serum, so it basically helps to control oil for me. It has salicylic acid in it, I believe. And it does help to blur the appearance of my pores. So I do really like this product. If you're looking for something that feels like the consistency of a primer with silicone, dimethicone, trimethicone, this is not it. If you are oily and have large pores, you're gonna love this. I use it on my forehead, my chin, my nose, and my cheeks, and I love it. I'm shocked, but I love it. Who would have known? Okay, let's switch it up. My next item is a skincare product from one of my favorite skincare brands. This is from Charlotte Tilbury. I hauled this last month. It's the Multi-Miracle Glow, and it's a cleanser, a mask, and a balm. We love a good multi-use product for baby soft, glowing skin. And I have a lot to say. 20 seconds on the clock. I don't like this. I don't think it's a bad product. I just think it's not for my skin type. Like I said, I have oily skin. If you have more mature or aging skin or dry skin, you're really gonna love this because it's super, super hydrating. It doesn't feel as nasty as the Clinique Cleansing Balm 2-1 beep, but it is just too thick. If you love the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Night Cream, you would probably love this, but it's just way too thick. It is very effective, but I don't like my cleansing balm to leave me hydrated because I do have oily skin. So I will be giving this away. It's just not for me. It's a great product. If you have dry skin, I think you'll love it. We love Charlotte Tilbury. We still, yeah, she's everything but this. No, thank you. That's a little spicy. Next product. This is the La Roche-Posay Toleraine Double Repair Moisturizer for oily combination skin. Whew, 20 seconds on the clock. I love this, you guys. I used this today and I wasn't expecting to like it because they do have a double matte moisturizer, but it's in like a frosted white packaging. This is really great. Oh my gosh, I have 6 seconds. This is really great. It hydrates my skin deeply, but also doesn't make me oily. Yeah, really gentle, effective. I do like my moisturizers to have a cute scent. So if I could liken it to anything, it's most like the Belif Aqua Bomb, but in a tube. So this would be great to travel with. This pleasantly surprised me. I do like this. I will continue to use it. Great for oily skin. Yay! Let's go back to Charlotte Tilbury. My next product is the Charlotte Tilbury Beautiful Skin Foundation. And this is for like healthy, radiant, glowing, hydrated skin. Basically, majority of the products in Charlotte Tilbury's skincare line are made to make you glow. The Good Girl Charlotte is all about the glow, and I don't always want to glow, but let's get into it. Oh, 20 seconds on the clock. Okay, this is great. First of all, I have this in the color 13 Warm Shawd. This is gonna be great for vacation. It reminds me of the It Cosmetics BB and CC creams in terms of the coverage and the pump, but actually this has better coverage. Oh my gosh, I have 3 seconds. I feel like this is a high coverage, like a medium. This is like a medium to high coverage foundation that looks so amazing. It's a bit too orange for me right now, but if I ever in life get to go on a vacation again, Jesus, are you listening? This is gonna be great. I may have to change shades, but it gives you a nice luminous healthy glow. It does have really nice coverage, and I feel like on vacation you just want minimal makeup. You really want to just have beautifully hydrated and glowing skin. So I would say for the woman or man who likes a no makeup look, you're gonna love this for day to day. For me, baby, give me cake face or give me nothing, as you can see. So I'm gonna use this for vacation. It's a little too oily for me day to day, but when I'm on a beach, sign me up. And that was a minute. I tried. Okay, next product is the Elemis Pro-Collagen Rose Cleansing Balm. So we have 2 cleansing balms this go around. 20 seconds on the clock. I don't like this. It kind of reminds me of the Charlotte Tilbury one. It's just too thick. It's less greasy feeling on my skin than the Charlotte Tilbury. It feels more like a jelly, but it's too hydrating, and it's also expensive. Not for me, but if you have dry skin, I think you'll like it. Yay! Y'all, I'm getting better. So yeah, all in all, not for me. I will be keeping this just to use in the case that I like run out of my cleansing balm, but not for me. If you're wondering, my favorite cleansing balm is the Pharmacy Green Clean. The texture is very light and like whipped almost. It doesn't make you feel greasy. It's almost like an oil that has hardened. It's not very thick. It's very emollient without feeling heavy on your face, which I like. So that's my favorite, and this is just It is hydrating because it uses rose extracts, but it's just a little too hydrating for your girl. Let's take it back to Glow Recipe. The next product, Glow Recipe, y'all are having a moment apparently. This is the Glow Recipe Plum Hyaluronic Cream, Dewy Moisture and Plumping. So let's put 20 seconds on the clock. Y'all, I liked this. Surprise, like who am I? Glow Recipe, you have been doing well by me. So if you have really dry skin, not really dry, if you have like normal to combo to dry skin, I think you're gonna like this. It has polyglumatic acid, which is more hydrating than hyaluronic acid, and hyaluronic acid, oh my gosh. But if you need something very hydrating, I think you will like this. The interesting thing about it is that it's really hydrating, but it's almost like a gel consistency and texture. So I think if you have normal to combo skin, you're gonna like it. The one con is that it feels a little sticky on the skin. So I want to say this is probably going to pill. So you know when you apply certain skincare products and they kind of bead up on your skin, I think this is gonna do that. It kind of has like a silicone-y type of texture, which I'm not a fan of, but overall it is a nice hydrating product. I will keep it just in case I need something really hydrating. It also comes in little refill pods. Okay, I'm going on and on and on. It's a great product, just not for me. If you have normal to combo skin, you might like it. Just be cautious about the fact that it may pill. Whew, okay. But Glow Recipe has been batting 1,000 with me. Like, shout out to y'all because things can get a little dicey there. Okay, my next product is one that I've spoken about a little bit on my channel, and this is the Drunk Elephant a-shaba Complex Eye Serum. And this is for depuffing and smoothing. Let's put 20 seconds on the clock. Okay, I do love this. This has been my new favorite eye serum for daily use because of the texture. It reminds me of the texture of this Glow Recipe product. It's very lightweight. It's like a thin lotion. I do like that it helps to smooth my under eye. My gosh, but I don't know how well it depuffs my eyes. I should also say that I don't have really puffy eyes, but like if allergies have been stirring up, which they've been for the past 4 months, or like if I've been crying, this is effective. It's not the best, probably because I don't have puffy eyes, but I do like this. I like the texture. A con I would say is the packaging, and this might be a me thing because y'all know I'm a little OCD, but if you don't get everything from the pump, because of how you advance it, when you slide it down, it'll get caught in the opening. So like I thought I liked Drunk Elephant packaging, but I think the packaging is gonna be annoying to me. But overall, this is a really nice product. I would purchase it myself because I like that it's an eye serum I can use under makeup. And that's not often the case because they're usually very creamy and emollient. And you should be using an eye cream under makeup. So shout out to Drunk Elephant. I do like this product. That was 2 minutes, I'm sorry. I just can't stop talking. Y'all know I like to talk. Okay, and the last product is something that I got from Moroccan Oil. And I didn't haul this yet, but it's just a little product. I figured I would include it in this video. So this is the Moroccan Oil Rooms du Maroc. And this is a fragrance mist for your hair and body. So let's put 20 seconds on the clock. I like this. If you've ever tried Moroccan Oil products, which I do own one, this is basically the scent. It's citrusy, fresh, a little beachy, a little cologne-y, a little masculine. Actually, it's a lot of masculine, but I like this. This would be great if you're just going on vacation and you want something fun and easy to wear that's not too intense but very fresh and light and clean, you will like this. If you tend to like how hair products smell, I think you will like this. They do sell it in a bigger vial, but this was just mine to try to post a review online. I like it. Would I buy it myself? No, it's a little too cologne-y and fresh. For the summertime on vacation, I want to smell sweet and sexy. So this is not necessarily like the direction I like to go, but it is nice. And once again, if you like Moroccan Oil hair products, or if you like freshly cologne-y scented hair products, you're gonna like this. Ooh, y'all, that's it. I did it. I mean, it was kind of a fail, but like, I actually think I got one product in under 20 seconds. I don't remember which one that was, but I'm proud of myself. So I hope you guys like this video. I just think it's such a fun way of giving you guys product reviews. If there would have to be one niche for my brand, it would definitely be product education and product reviews. Matter of fact, when I worked in the beauty industry at Sephora, that was my favorite part of the job. Once once a month, people would come from corporate to provide us education on products so that we could better sell them. That was my favorite part. I'm a nerd. I like to learn. I like to test things out, make little experiments. Like, I love that. So these are some of my favorite videos. I will link the previous ones that I have done. Once again, I know they're not popular, but it's fun and I'm enjoying myself. I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. Leave any comments or questions you guys have down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.